The beautiful Kidney Hill, located on an area of 62 acres in the well-known Dhoraji colony of the city, where the waving national flag at the highest point of the city invites citizens to come to the park from afar. Various large stones and wooden boards. There are also beautiful inscriptions and pictures on various large stones and wooden boards. The small plants that were planted here about a year ago have today taken the form of lush green trees that not only add to the beauty of Kidney Hill but also make the place an oxygen tank. Whereas a small ground has also been built where cricket enthusiasts can pursue their hobby. Kidney Hill is now home to all the birds that once stopped coming here because to the filth and dirt of Kidney Hill and the small and large hills are of particular interest to the visitors. In order to keep the Kidney Hill neat and clean, dustbins have also been set up here and there so that visitors can take special care of the park's cleanliness. Even the small neem trees that were planted about a year ago in a certain part of Kidney Hill are now taking the form of large trees. The trees and plants planted in Kidney Hill are of more than 47 species, including banana, coconut, guava, watermelon, mulberry, mango, fig, papaya, tamarind, jungle jalebi, berry, lemon, grapefruit, chiku, sunflower, royal poinciana, ficus religosa, peepal, rain tree, acacia trees, rubber plant, bougainvillea, moringa, gulmohar, and others. Colorful and solid benches have been installed at various places to provide seating facilities to the visitors. During the visit to Kidney Hill, the whole city can be seen from the different places. From here, the airport, National Refinery, Korangi Expressway, Shahrae Faisal, PF Base Masroor and Malir River are also visible. Reaching the highest point of Kidney Hill, if you look at the park, you can see clusters of small and big green trees in the distance which attracts onlookers. There is also a small pond that adds to the beauty of Kidney Hill. Various walking trails have been constructed in the park which have been improved and leveled. In addition to 2 walking trails, 12 different trails have also been constructed on which the entire Kidney Hill Park can be visited. The Kidney Hill, also known as Ahmad Ali Park, was started in September 2019 by the then Metropolitan Commissioner of Karachi Metropolitan Corporation, Dr. Syed Saifur Rahman, under the supervision of court orders. After working day and night with the help of the workers, the place where there were piles of dirt and filth was transformed into a beautiful park and green space. Today, the Kidney Hill Park is attracting citizens. Those who want to visit Kidney Hill Park can visit Kidney Hill Park near Rangoonwala Hall in Dhoraji area. People will come here and feel free for themselves how much peace and contentment they get when they reach an airy place away from the hustle, bustle and smoke of the city. May Allah Almighty make Kidney Hill Park always green and lush. Ameen.